Hey guys, Greg here, Underground Graphics. Today we are very excited to talk to you about Wimbledon White. We've had many customers over the last several years ask for this for their Mustangs and then recently for the Bronco. Unfortunately, Wimbledon White is a color that is not available in vinyl. We've checked 3M, we've checked Avery, we checked Oriful, we've even gone to some of those other brands that we don't use a lot of just to get this color and could not find a perfect match. So after lots of trying, it took us a while, but we did get that color made, and we got it made by a reputable brand, one that we love, Oriful. Thank you, Oriful. And this is it. So this is the debut. This is the first vehicle that has been wrapped. We call it Wimby White. We went out and actually got a paint sample from a painter. They went out and got a paint sample from a painter, sent us the test piece, and there it is. And again, they are almost identical. I mean, I can't even tell you if there is a difference in it. But we were so excited to get this done. So all of you that have been wanting Wimbledon White graphics, again, we're gonna call that Wimby White. I'm gonna have to be better at saying that, Wimby White, Wimby White. This is it. So we are gonna be offering this for all of our graphics, all those Bronco graphics, all those Mustangs graphics, the stripes, anything you wanna do. Now this will be a limited color. There are going to be short runs of it, and as of right now, we will be the only dealers for that vinyl. So again, if you're interested in it, make sure you give us a call, and we will get you taken care of on that. But again, this is the Wimby White. I do want to show, like as mentioned, this was the original color back on the Mustang back in the 60s. You'll see that here in the corner. Also done on the Bronco, and we're bringing that back on the Bronco. If you want to see what that difference is, we did not do the jams on this, so you can see that difference between Oxford White and Wimby White. Out in the sun, it's just amazing. We'll have some more photos and videos up on this shortly as well. And again, any questions, give us a call. And Wimbledon White, we got it.